Welcome to Custom Music Distribution. I'm going to break down a concept of a funnel. Alright, so here you see a funnel. We have the awareness stage, the evaluation stage, and the purchase stage. So most of your followers or supporters are going to be on the awareness stage. These are going to be your Instagram followers, your YouTube subscribers, your Facebook followers, your TikTok followers. They're going to be at the awareness stage. And from there, we have to turn them from followers to fans or supporters to buyers. Okay? So we have to move them all the way down the funnel here. So these are a couple of tips on how to engage with each stage of the funnel and how to move them down. Okay, so we have blog posts, emails, newsletter, tip sheet, checklists. Few of you downloaded some of my checklists. If you haven't, I have an ultimate music marketing checklist. It's on my website. It's absolutely for free. We have how-to videos and so on and so forth. So for this stage, what you can offer your followers, you can offer free downloads, whether it be like a free beat or instrumental that you did, a freestyle. Let's say you freestyle off of a beat that doesn't belong to you. You could make a video of it and then, have a link to your website and say, hey, if you really like this freestyle, you can download it. That's a way that you can capture their emails and phone numbers. So you can offer that. What else? Remixes. Let's say you have your original song on Spotify and iTunes, but you have remixes with your friends, with fellow artists that you recorded with that you don't necessarily want to upload on Spotify. So you'll have a bunch of those and you can say, look, here's a remix to the original. You can download it for free. That's another way to capture emails. So you definitely want to get as much data from your followers as possible. Emails, phone number, name, birthdays if you can, so that you can move them down the funnel. So that's where they are. Your followers, your Instagram followers, your subscribers, they are at the awareness stage. Okay, so once you've captured their emails and phone numbers, then you have to engage with them further. Now they are officially fans because they ask to see more of your material. They're engaging with your posts. They're engaging with your downloads, whatever you're offering. They're clicking the link and they're following up with the steps. So they are fans. So this is how you could engage with your fans. Free sample, video. You can do like live chats, personal chats with them, Instagram lives, concerts. You could do a YouTube live concert. So these are like just a few ways that you can continue on with the engagement. Because let's say here at the awareness stage, you're making the album, you're making the single. You don't have a ready-made song yet, so you're just blasting old songs that are new to new subscribers, new followers. And then here in the evaluation stage, maybe you're done, you're almost done. So now you're trying to engage with the followers that you have and your new followers that's coming in, that's turning into fans. And you want to engage with them further and get them locked in, because when the album or the single finally comes out, you want them to put their money down. You want them to buy, your merch, the tickets to live stream videos, tickets to speaking with you, any type of branding deals, whatever case may be, you want money in your pocket, so you want to bring them down the funnel. So at the evaluation stage, here you already have their email, you have their phone number, you have their name. Now it's time to get them ready to buy.